welcome to Michelle Sews Again. I'm Michelle. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about my new serger that I picked up at the sewing expo and just, I don't know, say hi. If that sounds interesting to you, then stay tuned. Okay, so as I mentioned in my Friday Sews video, I had a blast at the sewing expo. I attended with Jen from Today in Jen's Sewing Room, Carmen from Carmen Salome, and Trish from Pinky's Farm. And we had the best time. It was a lot of fun getting to know each other a little bit better in person. It was a lot of fun taking the classes. The exhibit hall was not, it was actually safe for me because it was so heavily focused on quilting and quilter needs that I didn't feel the need to go crazy shopping. And then I took the serger class and worked on a serger that was a complete dream. So I expected to spend a couple $100 on fashion fabrics. That didn't happen. So instead I spent much more than that on a new serger. So I took the Intermediate Serger Techniques notebook class. And in that class, we learned 8 new to me, techniques that you can do on a serger. This one that I used, everybody was using the same one. It was just absolutely fantastic. It was nice and quiet. It had features that my current machine didn't have, and I decided to treat myself. So it was very much on sale. It was originally $17.99. It was on sale for $10.99. It has an air threader. It's a 4-thread machine. It has a 2-button rolled hem. It's nice. It's a HUSQVARNA Viking Amber Air S400. So if you have that machine, let me know in the comments what your favorite thing about it is. I've read reviews about it. It seems to be a really great machine, so I'm happy with my purchase. I do have, my current machine is a Janome Mod 833. I don't know, I could have that wrong. And I have only used that machine, like I literally have changed my thread cones out once in the 1.5 years that I've owned it. So because I use the same threads, I don't change my threads out. And I've been using variegated rainbow thread because most of my fabrics are multicolor anyway. So that tells you how much I've used it, right? And the second set of 4 cones isn't even halfway used. So I really primarily use it to finish, or have been using it primarily to finish seams on woven garments. I've made a handful of knit garments, and I've made them almost 100% on the serger, but not that many. So the current serger hasn't gotten a ton of use, so I feel pretty good about putting it on eBay. I have the original box, so that'll help me recoup a portion of what I spent on the machine, which, like I said, I'm not trying to justify the purchase because I wanted it and I got it. Anyway, so I'm going to insert a little bit of video here. I'm going to kind of speed through it. I did video the unboxing, but there's really not a whole lot in the box, which you'll see in the video. So I'll insert that here. So as you can see in the video, it had the manual, it had a little accessory kit, it had the presser foot, and it had the machine. And that was kind of it. So there were some things in the accessory kit I wasn't sure what to do with. I wasn't sure what they were for. I haven't done the research yet. To be honest, traveling wears me out these days. And I had 2 weeks in a row with travel. So when I got home Saturday night, I did the unboxing yesterday on Sunday of the Serger, and then I did nothing else all day. I was just wiped out. I just relaxed. And I'm traveling again today. So I'm not looking forward to that. This travel's not for fun, it's for work. I'm leaving today, this afternoon, and I'm going to Ohio for work, and I'll be there through Thursday night. So I'll have Friday, I'll have to work, but we end work at 2 on Fridays. So I'll have Friday afternoon to kind of veg out, and then I'll have all weekend to play with my new machine. So there will be more knit videos coming probably soon. I already have my eye. I want to make another t-shirt dress, and I've got some fabrics in my stash that I can use for that. And I need to finish my number one priority when I get back is to do my So Frugal outfit. And yeah, so that'll be my number one priority. Anyway, that's kind of all I have for you today. I just wanted to check in and say hi. I'm not going to have a video on Wednesday this week, but I should be able to get back and have a Friday sews at the end of the week. So wherever you are, I hope the weather's amazing. I hope you're able to get some sewing in, and I will talk to you later. Bye.